What is man management and how does it fit into project management?
This is, I think, a very, very important question because when we talk all about project management and its practices and principles, one of the very important factor is the man element involved into it. See, if it was not for man management, then every project would have become successful because if things are written in book, there are big fat books available, and if everybody follows those principles, every project should have been a success. But you see that is not the case. There is a binomial distribution. There will be some project which will get successful, some will be extremely successful, but some will be disasters. Now, what happens? What goes wrong? Apart from the project planning and errors or mistakes during the project execution, you will find that all these things are finally controlled by a certain group of people. They can be either project sponsors, they can be either project people, other team members in the project, the customers, facilitators. So at every stage there are people involved, and people management or man management is a very tricky and a different kind of a ball game as against the normal technical things, because there is no science directly. People are of different types, different nature, different geographies, different religions, and they have different type of thinking. So in all these project phases, man management becomes extremely important because these are the people who will be actually working on the project. They are either decision makers or they are execution people. So anyone making a mistake deliberately or indeliberately is going to cause a project its own problems, losses, project escalation, going out of budget, or even at the end, worst case will be the disaster kind of, that the actual delivery is not being met. Something different comes out. And why this may happen is because though everything was defined on paper correctly, the people who are actually supposed to work on the project, they are supposed to understand the planning, work as per that, report issues if any, and if any one of them fails in decision making or execution, the whole project may go for a toss. So though all said and done, we follow project management principles and standard methodologies, we have good tools. Finally, if there is a no will or one person is not working, it's a team effort finally. So if one person or one chain in a project is not working fine, then whole project may affect seriously and may become a disaster also. And we have a lot of such experiences, or we have a lot of such examples in the past how because of some people's mistake the projects have gone for a total disaster. So man management is a very, very important aspect, and as I said, it is more of a skill and also luck to some extent, because it's not that alone that you will always get extremely good people to work at various level. It's a group effort. So when you are working with a group of 20, 50, 100 people, you are bound to have people of different temperament, different thinking levels, different intellectualities, and to take them along with you in the pace and continue the pace of the project and still achieve the end result is really a challenging task. So I think project manager has to learn this, one of the very key skills of resource management or communication as an important aspect of project management.